Welcome to the Aspose.Words cloud storage tutorial. Today we're going to programmatically upload a local document to the cloud, using the Cloud API. Traditionally, Aspose.Words works with documents in our local file system. The Cloud API lets us work with documents that are in a storage in the cloud. In this tutorial we will use the Aspose Cloud SDK for .NET, to access the Aspose Storage Cloud REST API, and use it to take a document from our local file system and upload it to a remote storage. First, we will need to set up our IDE, and connect to the Cloud API. We can do that in the 3 steps shown here. Set up our Aspose Cloud SDK, make sure we have a remote storage, and obtain app credentials that our program will use, to access that storage. First, we need to download the SDK. We can download it either as a DLL or source code from GitHub, or by using NuGet via the Visual Studio Package Manager console. Next, we will need to register an account at dashboard.aspose.cloud and sign in. Finally, we need to obtain a set of API keys that will allow our program to access our files. To get those we first need to have a registered app in the My Apps section. If we don't have any apps, we can create one like this. This is where the AppSid and app key are located. They are the credentials that our program will use to gain access to the Cloud API. We will now import the AppSid and app key into our program. Now we are ready to connect to the Cloud API and use it to work with our remote documents. Here are the 4 steps that we will take to upload a local document to a remote storage. We will connect to the API using the credentials we obtained earlier, create a request that will place a local document in a remote storage, and then we will verify the response. First, we will use our AppSid and app key to gain access to the storage API. Now we will put the file we want to upload into a stream, which we will then pass to a new put-create request. Here we will also specify the remote storage, folder, and file name where our document will be uploaded. Next, we will pass our put-create request into the put-create method, which will execute our request and create the file in our remote location. We will also store the upload response returned by the put-create method in a variable. Finally, we will verify the response and get our upload file method to return true if the response indicates a successful file upload. We will run our file uploader using a unit test. We will take a docx file named myLocalDocument and upload it to a storage named First Storage, in a folder named myRemote folder, in a file named myRemoteDocument. We will expect out upload file function to return true after a successful upload. We will then run our test and check the remote storage for our uploaded document. Our storages are located in the My Files section. Here we will find the storage, folder, and document that we specified in our code. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any comments, please get in touch with us.